Hello students. Now today accountancy new chapter. Now chapter number 4, reconstruction of partnership firm. Name of the chapter is reconstruction of partnership firm. Now reconstruction means what? Reconstruction means what? That we have already learned. Reconstruction in the chapter of goodwill. Think. When goodwill is required to find, which are the reasons? Which are the reasons to find value of goodwill? Think. At the time of reconstruction, we need to find value of goodwill. Remember my last lectures of goodwill, and in that lecture we had discussed about that. Now why reconstruction is done? What is the reason of reconstruction? That is also discussed in that lectures. Think. What are the reasons? Think. Yes, very good. Sir, whenever P&L ratio changes, it is called reconstruction. Now, reasons of reconstruction. Sir, when some partners are not working properly, or some partners want to work more than previous work, at that time, P&L ratio becomes changes. And that changes, due to that, reconstruction arises. Sir, new partner admitted in the business, reconstruction is there. Sir, one partner retiring from the business, reconstruction. Death of the partner, reconstruction. So that is the reconstruction we have already discussed in chapter 3, goodwill. Now, in this chapter, so what is the new in this chapter? Nothing. Very easiest thing which is covered in this chapter. And this chapter is of 5 marks. In your final examination, board examination, question number 3, MCQ, question number 12, VSQ, and short question 22 number. These 3 questions will be asked in your final examination. And its marks, 1 mark, and 3 marker question. Total 5 marks you will get from this chapter. And generally the sum which is asked in the examination, that is very easy. And from that sum, we are taking here 2 sums. And generally these 2 types of sum can be asked in the examination. So this is the easiest chapter to get 3 marks. Second thing, by this theory, short theory and somewhat whatever we have discussed now, 1 mark also, easy to get. So, I can say in today's lecture, we are getting full 5 marks. Generally. 3 mark fix. Now, we are starting with sum number 1. Illustration number 1 given in your textbook, and in short, this is written here. Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam sharing profit in equal proportion. Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam sharing profit in equal proportion. So their profit is currently in equal proportion. Now what is the changes? Next, they decide to share P&L in the ratio of 3:1 in future. In future, what they have decided? Sir, 3:1 ratio they have decided. So their P&L ratio changes. It means reconstruction done. Calculate sacrifice ratio. Sir, how we can find sacrifice? For that, understand my story. Suppose your current salary is 20,000 rupees. Now from that 20,000, because of this lockdown situation, owner tell you, I cannot give 20,000, but 10% deduction is there. So from next month you will get 10% less than 20,000. So 20,000 minus 10% is 2,000 less. You will get 18,000. You will get 18,000. So how many rupees you have sacrificed for this lockdown situation and for the management? Sir, 2,000 rupees is sacrifice done. So that is, your previous salary is 20,000. You are getting now 18,000. So 2,000 rupees is less, and 2,000 rupees you have given and sacrificed for the institution. And that's why. How I had find the value of sacrifice? Sir, my old salary 20,000. My new salary 18,000. 20 minus 18. 2,000 rupees is the sacrifice. Now think, old salary 20, new salary 18, 20 minus 18, 2,000 is sacrifice. In this way we can find value of sacrifice. And even we can make formula also. Sir, sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. This is the formula of sacrifice ratio. Simple. On the basis of my story, you can make formula. Sacrifice is equal to old salary minus new salary is 2,000 rupees sacrifice. Same way here. Old ratio minus new ratio becomes sacrifice ratio. Simple. Now sir, gain ratio. How I can find gain ratio? Suppose your past salary 20,000 and you are getting now 25,000. So 5,000 you are getting more. So 5,000 is your gaining amount. How we can find? Sir, new 25,000 minus old 20,000. 25 minus 25,000 is my gain. Reverse. Here old minus new sacrifice. If you are reversing this values, new minus old becomes gain. So here I can write gain is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So this is the formula of gain ratio. So it's a simple one. Sacrifice means old minus new and gain means new minus old. Simple thing. Now we are doing sum. Sir, Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam are partners. Their ratio is in equal proportion. So it is in equal proportion. We are writing their old ratio first of all. So I am writing here old ratio 1, 1 and 1. So write down new ratio also. New ratio is 3 to 1. So 3, 2 and 1. Now what is the formula of sacrifice ratio for three partners? First is Ram, second is Shyam, third is Ghanshyam. So first of all we are talking about Ram. What is the old ratio of Ram? Because first we have to write old ratio, then we have to write new ratio. Sir, total of this 1 plus 1 plus 1, answer is 3. So my old ratio is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Sir, make the total of this 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. So 1 by 3 is my old ratio, 3 by 6 is my new ratio. So here for Ram, old ratio, writing 1 divided by 3 minus new ratio of Ram is 3 by 6. So 3 divided by 6. Now here two methods are available. First method, legal method, you have to take LCM and then solve the sum. But some students cannot solve by LCM. So first of all, I am giving you easiest method. Don't think how to take LCM. Directly do sum, get marks. Then after we will understand how to take LCM and doing this sum. So first of all, simplest one, multiplication, cross multiplication method is there. 6 is multiplied with 1. So 6 ones are 6. Same way this 3 is multiplied with 3. So 3 threes are 9. Minus sign as it is. Divide by multiplication of both. 6 into 3. 6 threes are 18. Now write 6 minus 9 minus 3 divided by 18. Now I have used here sacrifice ratio, and in that sacrifice ratio minus is there. It means it is the gain. Whatever formula I am using, if answer is negative in that formula, then it is the opposite. Here sacrifice formula, answer negative, it means it's not sacrifice, it's a gain. Same way, suppose I am using gain formula and I will get answer in negative, then that is not gain, it is sacrifice. Now, second, Ram calculation completed. Now calculate about Shyam. So calculation of Shyam. 1 by 3. Minus 2 by 6. Cross multiplication again. Here also I can take LCM. But cross multiplication we are doing. 6 ones are 6. 3 twos are 6. Minus is there. So middle sign minus. Divide by multiplication of both. So 6 threes are 18. Now 6 minus 6 0. 0 upon 18 answer 0 sir. So Shyam not sacrificing, not gaining. He is neutral. Simple. Next thing. Sir, last person is Ghanshyam. So we are talking about Ghanshyam. So sir, Ghanshyam's old ratio is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus new ratio 1 by 6. So 1 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 3 ones are 3. 6 threes are 18. 3 by 18. So now here also sacrifice formula, positive answer, it means it's a sacrifice. Now we can compare also here. What is the comparison? Sir, Ram negative, it means this person has gained. And here positive, this person made sacrifice. So 3 sacrifice and 3 gain. Simple. In this way we can compare. Whatever gained by Ram is sacrificed by whom? Ghanshyam. So 3 is sacrificed by Ghanshyam and gained by Ram. Simple calculation. Sum over 3 marks in your account. Simple. So this type of simple sum will be asked generally in the examination. But we are covering today all types of sum. Don't worry. Now students, we are starting with illustration number 5. Now see, they, Siddhi and Prapti are partners sharing profit and loss in equal proportion. So their proportion is equal. All have decided to share profit in the ratio of 1:3:3. Find gain ratio. Now in this question we need to find sacrifice. Here we need gain. So gain formula is already written. So first of all we are writing ratio. So what is my old ratio? Old ratio is 1, 1, 1. And total of this 3. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. New ratio. New ratio is 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 3. So total of this 3. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7, 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. This is the ratio. Now what we need to do, sir? So first of all, we are calculating for the day. So what is the day? This new share. So new is this. 1 by 7 is new. And old is 1 by 3. So first we need to write 1 by 7 minus 1 by 3. Now cross multiplication. 3 ones are 3. 7 ones are 7. Divide by 7 threes are 21. 3 minus 7 minus 4 by 21. Sir, most IMP thing. In gain formula, answer is negative. It means it is sacrifice. Here, sacrifice ratio, sacrifice formula, answer is negative. And it is gain. Same way, gain formula, answer is negative. Sacrifice. Now, next one, we are calculating for Siddhi. Now think about Siddhi also. Now sir, new ratio of Siddhi 3 by 7 and old ratio is 1 by 3. So first of all write 3 by 7. 1 by 3. Simple. So new ratio 3 by 7, old ratio 1 by 3. 3 by 7 minus 1 by 3. Now again sir, only cross multiplication, simplest one. 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7, divide by 7 3s are 21. 9 minus 7, 2 by 21. So gain formula plus answer, positive answer. It's a gain. So Siddhi gain 2 by 21. So from 4 by 21 to get by Siddhi, it means obvious remaining 2 will be get by Prapti. But even we are calculating. See, calculation of Prapti. So that is also same. 3 by 7 upon 3 by 7 minus 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Answer again 2 by 21. So again it is a gain. Simple. So Siddhi gain 2 by 21, Prapti gain 2 by 21, and they sacrifice minus 4 by 20. It means they sacrifice 4 by 21. So 4 sacrificed by they and 2 received by Siddhi and Prapti. So in this way we can write gaining ratio of Siddhi and Prapti is equal to gaining ratio of Siddhi and Prapti is equal to 2 2. So also we can write 1 1. So Siddhi and Prapti gain in equal proportion. That is the gaining ratio. So in this way we are completing two sums. In this way we are completing two sums. Now think. In illustration number 1, one formula, sacrifice ratio formula is used. Here gain ratio formula is used. So both the formula is completed. And generally in examination 3 marker question, gain or sacrifice sum will be there. Now whatever we are doing, that is one theoretical portion which is given on page number 117 in your textbook. And what is it? Actually, that is the difference of sacrifice and gain ratio. What is the difference between sacrifice and gain? That is given on page number 117 in detail. Here, in short, it is written. And by completing this thing, theoretical portion clear. One theory that we have discussed, reconstruction. Why reconstruction arises? in goodwill also, and starting of the lecture also we have discussed in short. That is also given in your textbook in the starting of the chapter, and this is given on page number 117. Now just try to understood what is the difference between sacrifice and gain. Now think, my old salary, from that old salary I am sacrificing something, giving something to institution, so that is sacrifice. So in compared to old, I am getting new lace because of lockdown situation. Same here. Think meaning. What is the meaning of sacrifice? Sir, old partner give to new partner something. If new partner admitted in the partnership firm, old partner give some ratio from his personal ratio to new partner, then it is the sacrifice. Other situation, if reconstruction done, sir, like this, old and new ratio only changes, new partner is not there, only reconstruction is there, then even we can find sacrifice in this way. Here, sacrifice done by Ghanshyam, old minus new, 3 upon 18. So from old portion, person given 3 upon 18 to other person because of reconstruction. That is also situation. Meaning of sacrifice. Old partner give to new partner, or existing partner because of reconstruction giving something to other partner. Both situations is a sacrifice. Sir, opposite of this is gain. Think about it. Retiring partner means 3 partners are there and 1 partner retiring from the business. Then that partner giving their portion to existing partners. So existing partner get something, that is gain. So retiring partners share received by existing partner is called gain. Sir, suppose one partner retiring and gaining other partners, that is gain ratio. Second situation is a reconstruction like this. Only P&L ratio changes, and due to that existing partner getting something from other partner. So here Siddhi and Prapti get 2 upon 21, 2 upon 21 from they. So this is also gaining. So two situations. Because of this reconstruction, gain and sacrifice should be there. Second, admission of a partner, sacrifice is there. Retirement of the partner, at that time gain is there. Because whenever some person admitted, old partner have to give something. And whenever any partner retires, he gives to existing partner something. So existing partner getting from that. So this is the two situation meaning. And this is given detail in your textbook. So then see from the textbook. Now second situation, when we are finding sacrificing, when we are finding gain, that is the question. Sir, admission and reconstruction. Simple. This is the reconstruction situation. At the time of reconstruction, we are finding sacrifice and gain. And second situation, suppose admission of partner is there. At that time, we need to find sacrifice. Same way, retirement. At the time of retirement of partnership, partner retire. At that time, we are finding gain. So connected with first topic. Then after next, sir, what is the formula? We have used, sir, that formula. We have already used here. Think? Yes, sir, we have already used it. Which is the formula? Sir, sacrifice means, yeah, sacrifice old ratio minus new ratio. So sacrifice formula, old ratio minus new ratio. So opposite of this, new minus old becomes gain. Simplest one. Why? Sir, why sacrifice need to find? When admission of the partner is there. But why we need to find? To distribution of goodwill. Actually, whenever partner admitted in the business, partner admitted in the firm, then he bring goodwill amount in the business. And that goodwill amount we are distributing among the partners who are sacrificing. And that's why to distribution of goodwill. Why we are finding sacrifice? Because partners who had sacrificed, we are giving goodwill amount to them. A new partner who is admitted in the business, he bring goodwill amount, and that goodwill amount we are giving to old partners who are sacrificing. And that's why goodwill distribution. For the goodwill distribution, sacrifice ratio is finding. Now, why gain, sir? Opposite of this. Here distribution of goodwill, here giving share of goodwill. Now, sir, whom we are giving? When it is fine, when retirement of partner is there. Whenever partner retire from the partnership firm. Whenever partner retire from the partnership firm, then we have to, all existing partners have to give goodwill portion to them. In which ratios are gain ratio? So, at the time of retirement, to give share of goodwill to that particular partner, gain ratio is finding. So, this is the difference between sacrifice and gain. And these are the sums related to sacrifice and gain. And I am confident about it. All of you have a knowledge about this now. Now, what is your homework? Sir, do all the sums. All of you have to do all the sums of sacrifice and gain. Find sacrifice ratio and gain ratio. That all sums you are doing from the, you will do from the textbook. All illustrations, all sums. And 3 marker, fix. Now, second important thing. This chapter is not completed today. We are doing many things in this chapter, which will be used in your next chapters, chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. And in that chapter, you are covering 5 marks for each chapter on that basis. And that's why for particular getting 5 marks, this lecture is okay. But to get 10 marks more in next chapters, this chapter is continuing. Next time we are meeting with the new topic, which is not related to this one. And what is your homework? All illustrations and all sums related to sacrifice and gain. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.